Hello and welcome to this week's Flipped Learning for Year 1 English. This week in English we are writing instructions. We are coming near the end of our topic down at the bottom of the garden. This week English and science are linked. In science the children are planting seeds and carrying out an experiment to test what seeds need to grow. In English we will be writing instructions for how to plant a seed. But what are instructions? Instructions are written for someone who needs to know how to do something. Here we can see instructions on how to brush your teeth and how to make a sandwich. This week in English we'll be looking at the features of instructions. Instructions have a heading, numbered sequence, and imperative verbs. Imperative verbs are bossy verbs that tell us what to do. Can you see any imperative verbs in this text? Yes, that's right. Each sentence here starts with an imperative verb. In instructions, each step of the instruction will have an imperative verb. Now, can you help me write instructions on how to plant a seed? Look at the first picture. I wonder what I could write as a sentence. Maybe you could go and get a piece of paper and a pencil and compose your own sentence too. I know what I'm going to write. Get a pot. And I've highlighted my imperative verb here in red. Get. Let's write the next step in our instructions. Have a look at the picture. Pause the video and write your sentence now. I wrote, put some soil in the pot. Put is the imperative verb here. Now, let's look at our third step. Place the seeds in the pot. And our final step. Can you look at the picture and write the last sentence in our instructions? I wrote, cover the seeds with soil. Cover is the imperative verb in this sentence. Thank you for your help in writing instructions on how to plant a seed. Now, I'm going to look and see if I can improve my sentence. Let's have a look at the first sentence I wrote. Get a pot. I started my sentence with a capital letter. I used finger spaces. And I finished my sentence with a full stop. Now, I am going to introduce a time connective into my sentence. Instructions often have time connectives in their steps. Look at the time connectives. Which word would work for my first sentence? First, then, next, or finally? Yes, that's right. I'm going to start the sentence with first. First, get a pot. Now, can you look at the sentences you wrote for steps 2, 3, and 4? Could you add a time connective to each of your sentences? Thank you very much for watching the Flip Learning video for Year 1 English this week.